your business accepts payments for services and products through PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, or other third-party vendors, the new IRS income reporting rule may apply to your transactions. Effective January 1st, 2022, if you're using a payment app provider and have a total of transactions that exceed $600 a year, then you will receive Form 1099-K. The new rule doesn't impose additional taxes for those using third-party vendors. However, it does make it more difficult to avoid taxes owed for business transactions. The tax consequences will remain the same, and businesses will continue to be liable for federal income tax on transactions, whether they're paid in cash, check, or through a payment app. The main reason for this major shift from the IRS is to buckle down on those operating in the gig economy, such as ABandP landlords or drivers for Uber and Lyft. By creating this new rule, the IRS is able to ensure that those who were previously not reporting taxable business income will start to do so. It's important to note that casual or personal transactions made through payment apps will not be affected by this change. For example, if you're being reimbursed by a friend for dinner, this would not be considered a business transaction. To avoid any issues that may arise, business owners should start to separate accounts for personal and business transactions. It is possible that third-party vendors may not be able to identify if certain transactions are business or personal. This may cause a 1099-K form to be issued for a charge that is not for business purposes. If this occurs, then it's up to you to prove that this should not be considered a taxable event. Overall, you should begin separating your personal and business accounts to help give you more credibility with the IRS in case they were to question your transactions. What steps should you take now? First, if you accept payments through apps for both personal and business items, you should create a personal and a business account with your payment apps. You should also begin better documenting what your personal and business transactions are for. You will start to notice that Venmo, PayPal, and other providers will begin asking for information to clarify if your transactions are for business purposes. These payment apps will also request your employer identification number, EIN, individual tax ID number, ITIN, or Social Security number, SSN, which they will be providing to the IRS. If you need assistance navigating this new reporting rule, please contact us today at 310-534-5577 or contact@abandp.com.